My first ever match, I lost 6-love, 6-love. I really struggled.
I couldn't even keep up on the parade laps. That was how much I failed at the beginning.
Where you are is not who you are. You must leave behind more than you take away.
We've filmed some of the most inspirational people on the planet to understand what it really takes to succeed.
That's why it's so important to have a good teacher in your life.
It's loving what you do that will keep you pushing through.
In Becoming Extraordinary, we'll explore the skills, knowledge, attitudes to help you to realise your potential.
Suddenly I was just like, oh my God, I've done it.
Suddenly I have this medal. I actually was there where you were just yesterday.
You're standing here, now at the top of the world.
I just remember feeling like, oh yeah, this is the place I want to be.
Because greatness isn't born, it's learned. So, who can you become?